night we met the city lights, the storms had closed the road. We made it through, and probably that's how it always goes. The thunder in the trees above, the loudest that we've heard. Sometimes our words are not enough, there's silence to observe. And I felt far away from the center of you, when there's so much want, you forget what you need. And there's nothing like some nothing to help you breathe.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to St. Bernard Acres. This is Tuesday, May 21st. What you saw was a 2007, 2008, I'm not sure yet, we don't have the title yet, Yamaha Grizzly 450. It runs. It's got its little quirks. There's things I got to do to it. You know, I need brake caliper. Got new wheel bearings in it, got new brake shoes, got new ball joints, you know, stuff like that he did for me. New carburetor on it. I got to adjust the carburetor still as I drive it. I'm gonna have to keep making adjustments on that carburetor until we get it all dialed in. But all three calipers I can buy off Amazon for $57. So it's not like, you know, buying calipers for my truck. Yeah, so I'll tell you what, a subscriber of mine remembers when I had that Polaris. If y'all remember, the long-time subscribers, I bought a Polaris 850 Sportsman in 2018, brand new one. Had it in the barn. Wasn't 2 or 3 months later. I don't think I'd even made a payment. Maybe I don't think I'd made my second payment yet. And somebody stole it. And I haven't been able to get another one since. So one of my subscribers, who's more local, bought a new ATV. And he gifted this to me. He said, if you want it, we'll fix it up. You can ride it around the property, ride it around the roads back here. It's good for that. It's not, I mean, I'm too old to be on the old sporty mode and, you know, flying 90 miles an hour and go through mud and water. I did that once. That was fun, but I don't need to do that anymore. I just need something I can drive around here and have a little bit of fun with it. Also, the functionality of it, because it's already got a ball and hitch, everything on the back of it already. I can just hook my trailer right onto it and take my trailer where I need it here on the property. So it's going to be a very handy, fun tool, and I cannot thank him enough. He doesn't want me to say who he was, so I'll respect that. But what a wonderful thing to get. I swear I'm going to have a blast with it. And like I said, I can't thank him enough. You know, the flies out here are ridiculous, by the way. But yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. And he's like, here, happy birthday. Alright, bud, whatever. I love it, man. Yeah, it's just going to be one more thing here that's going to be beneficial to what I'm doing. Because I've got all of the floor, you know, subfloor, all the siding, all that stuff stacked in the bottom of the barn. And my tractor, I can only take, you know, 2 or 3 sheets with tops. If I fiddle around with it, you know, that thing has a towing capacity of 1,000 pounds. I can throw a bunch of sheets on my trailer and bring it right up here to the house building site without a problem. So it's good, you know, things like that is going to make it a whole lot easier. So yeah, it's going to be a great tool and fun. A tool slash toy, if you will. But yeah, I'm going to ride it around a little bit. I'll be back. Alright, well that was fun. I just put 2 or 3 more miles on it. Took it all the way down Cupyk Road and turned around, came back up, rode around the barn a couple times. So it will certainly serve what I need. I love it. Thank you again. Can't say enough about my subscribers. You guys have helped me in ways that I'll never be able to explain, with advice, and even on my Facebook page, you know, the way I did my blocks. I need to mention this. I put a picture up of how I got my first beam up, my cornerstone set. And he commented on that picture. He said, I don't want to be one of those internet guys, you know, but you should really put the caps on top of the blocks. Don't leave those holes open, because number 1, water could get in it. Number 2, rodents and animals can nest inside those blocks. So take the 2 solid ones and put them on top, so nothing could get down in those, you know, open core blocks. I'm like, yeah, that's right. That's a good idea. In fact, I think that's why those 4x8x16 solid blocks are called caps, because they go on top of the cinder blocks. Who knew? But that's the kind of stuff that helps me out tremendously, because I didn't think about that. And when he said it's perfect sense, and I, of course, thanked him, and please keep bringing these suggestions on. There's some things I have to do, or some things I don't have to do that some of you guys have to, depending on where you live and what your requirements are in your county and state and city and all that kind of stuff. I don't have any out here in this wilderness, if you will. But yeah, I appreciate things like that. So I'm going to get to play a little bit while I'm out here now. And I look forward to getting back out here this weekend. You know, I'm going to try to set 3 of those piers a day, because they are a pain in the ass to get level. I had no idea how difficult that was going to be. They don't have to be perfectly square and in line, because, you know, I've got a 16x16 area that I'm going to place a 6x6 beam on. So if it's off a little bit, a quarter that way or a quarter that way, it's not going to matter. But I have to be perfectly level. And man, what a pain in the butt that is. Took me 30 minutes to do one. Took Gary 30 minutes to do one. So I figure 22 more to go, 30 minutes apiece. We got a few hours we're going to put in on that. And I did learn I can only do it early in the morning and late at night, because it is hot in that sun. But yeah, we're cooking here. I got to get back into wheeling now. I got to go to work tonight. But I needed to bring my new gift out here. Again, can't thank you enough. I can't thank all of you enough for everything you've done for me. I will talk to you again later. I'm going to try to do a gas station video this week. If not, I'll be out here this weekend. Y'all have a good one. This is Joe out at St. Bernard Acres. Remember to like, share, comment, ding the bell, send cash, or gift cards. Anyway, I'm out, folks. Thank y'all.